Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your phone is online and you can install or access an app or web SMS portal. Once online, pick a reputable free SMS app or a web service and complete its quick sign-in or verification. This gives you message credits or access without recharge. Make sure you enter the recipient number in international format and understand any daily limits, because that affects delivery and success rates as you proceed. Now you execute the sending process. Open the chosen free SMS app or web portal, or use an email to SMS Gateway if available. Choose the recipient and compose a concise message to avoid multi-part charges. Once done, paste numbers or import contacts for bulk sends, then send or schedule the message. Make sure to check any send quotas and delivery reports in the app, because retries or alternate routes may be needed if limits are reached. Finish by confirming delivery. Review the app's delivery receipts or the web portal's logs and wait for confirmations. If messages fail, switch to another free provider, retry over Wi-Fi, or send via an email to SMS Gateway. These alternatives often bypass temporary carrier blocks. Make sure to throttle sends and respect any service limits so you don't trigger rate limits. If things still go wrong, clear the app cache, re-verify your account, and then resend a single test message before bulk sending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.